Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Mercedes-Benz Wi-Fi not working. First, restart the Mercedes-Benz infotainment system. This can fix many temporary software and connection issues. To restart the system, press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. Wait until the system turns off and starts again. After the restart is complete, check your Wi-Fi connection to see if the problem is fixed. If the Wi-Fi is still not working, check the hotspot settings in your vehicle. On the display screen, open Home, go to System, select Connectivity, and then choose Set up Hotspot. Make sure the Activate Vehicle Hotspot option is turned on. Also check that the hotspot can be seen by other devices. The next step is to check for software updates. An outdated system can sometimes cause connection problems. You can look for updates through the Mercedes-Me app or by checking the settings menu in your vehicle. Installing the latest firmware can improve connectivity and fix known software issues. You can also try connecting a different phone or device to the vehicle hotspot. This will help you find out if the problem is with the Mercedes system or your device. Thanks for watching.